Hi, if you're new here, I'm so grateful to meet you. In today's video, we are testing the brand new launch of Amy Rose Cosmetics, her first ever launch, and she's brought out 4 pairs of lashes. If you don't know who Amy Rose Walker is, she is a beauty YouTuber here on YouTube, and she has almost got 500,000 subscribers that I'm aware of, and this is her first ever launch of her brand. Her brand is brand new, and she is just known for her wearable glam look. So I thought I'd do this sort of fox eye trend for this makeup look as well. I thought I'd just do a natural eye look with this, sort of trying on these lashes. I was going to do like a wham bam colourful makeup look to try on these lashes, but I thought it wasn't really fair because they are more of like everyday lashes that she mentioned, and she is going to bring a lot more lashes out in the future, but these are her first 4 lashes. So I thought I'd just do a more natural eye just so the lashes can stand out, and I have got one of them on now. These are the Lottie lashes. I was going to film this video before, but I just wasn't feeling myself, so unfortunately the tissue paper is gone, but the tissue paper that came in, it smelled like perfume, so being a treat for that. And what you also did get as well is this gorgeous pamphlet of Amy Rose herself holding up her pair of lashes. These are the Lola lashes that she's holding up and wearing. So it says, "Thank you so much for purchasing and supporting Amy Rose Cosmetics. You lovelies mean so much to me, and I'm so excited to share this journey with you. Enjoy your lashes." And it just has all their Instagram handles on the back, and then their gorgeous logo on the other side, which she made herself. All this brand she made herself with packaging that she mentioned, and she did mention it is a premium brand, and all the lashes are sort of handmade, so they're all sort of going to be different in each pair of lashes that you get. But I'm just going to be trying on the lashes for you, seeing all the styles, and it's just exciting seeing a new brand and supporting them. So yeah, I'm going to give you a close-up on the lashes in their packaging and the boxes before we get into the lashes and the styles. So if you want to see the rest of this video, then please keep on watching. So like I said, I'm just going to show you the packaging first before I get into trying the styles of lashes. So the first thing I wanted to mention with the packaging, it is marble. It's so nice, it's so lovely. So you have her logo on the side there, and then you have the name of the lash on the top there, and then on the back you have all the sort of branding and everything. So these themselves are the Lovely lash, and they are more of like a spiky lash, and these are really lovely, and you'll see me trying them on. So the next lash is the Lily lash, and these are so gorgeous. Again, they have like that spiky sort of vibe to them, and they're really nice. Everything with this packaging is just so gorgeous, and when you open up the box itself, you get a lovely little memo on the top that says, "A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset," which I think is so cute. The box is amazing as well. It's absolutely magnetic and so easy to travel with, and just imagine getting this out your bag like marble, bitch. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, oh, put my lashes on the train. If you go on the train for a night out, which I'll be going on a train after this to meet some of my gals. But yeah, I'm going to be having this in the bag. Getting a bit OTT, Fiona. So this is the Lily lash, and these are so good. The next lash we have is, these are the Lola lash, and this is what she's wearing in her sort of promo. And oh my god, look how big and fluffy they look. They're just so extra, and these are for those extra guys and gals who want that extraness in their makeup look. But look at these, they're just absolutely amazing. And then the last pair of lashes I'm wearing is the Lottie lash. So this is all 4 pairs of lashes that she's bringing out with her first launch of her lash brand, and I'm going to be trying them on for you today. But I absolutely rate the packaging already, just first sort of reviews and everything, and they're just such a sturdy packaging as well. Love that, and I love the little pamphlet that it comes with as well. So let's get straight on into the video, and I'll show you all the pairs of lashes that I'm going to be trying on and sharing with you, and just seeing if you want to purchase any of these lashes and support Amy Rose as well. And yeah, we'll get straight on into the video and trying on these lashes. I'm going to start off with the Lovely lash. First of all, trying on these lashes from Amy Rose. So all of these lashes are very like natural lashes, I would say, compared to tatty lashes. If you haven't heard of Amy Rose Cosmetics before, she is more of like a natural wearable glam queen. And I do think most of these lashes, because I've tried them before, they are quite straight lashes compared to curled and fluffy ones like tatty lashes. So I'm just applying these Lovely lashes on. So I've just applied the one on, and as you can see the difference between a lash and a non-lash that it makes. And by the way, my eyeliners aren't twins today, they're just completely non-existent friends, and they've just out-friend-zoned each other, cut each other out of each other's life. So they're not very symmetrical today, but I'm just going to stick on the other lash here. I do find these lashes already quite flexible because, like I said, I've tried to pre-film this and they have moulded to my eye, so they are quite nice to mould to your eye. So they are really, really good for holding sort of your lash shape. So with the lashes, I'm just going to run through them with you. I'm not going to tweeze them down or anything and make sure they're nice and neat. I'm just going to run through with you what they look like. So these are the Lovely Lash. I really, really like them actually. They are quite spiky and they do go from like a shorter to a longer sort of inner corner moment. So this is what they look like, and I'll try to show you what they look like from the side. And they're really quite like straight lashes, so if you want more of like a fluffy lash, they do have one fluffy lash which I can't wait to try. It's so extra. I'm going to do it in a completely random order as well. So these are the Lovely Lash, and I really, really do like them. And by the way, the packaging is so, so gorgeous, just the marbleness to it as well. Really, really like the idea of including a spoolie with the lashes. Unfortunately, I chucked my spoolie away because I thought you would get one spoolie per lash sort of box, but you only got one spoolie. Well, I only got one spoolie with my entire order, so I actually used that for a pink makeup look I did, which I was going to film this video too as well. But yeah, I only got one spoolie with mine, so that spoolie's gone already. I think it would have been a good idea if she included a spoolie with every pair of lash. But yeah, this is what the Lovely Lash looks like on, and I really, really like this lash style so far. Loving the first pair of lashes. So next up we have this bad boy. As you can see, this is the Lola Lash, and I'm so excited to try this one because it's such a baddie type of vibe lash. It's so, so huge, and I'm just going to start by applying this on, and this literally, no joke, touches the top of my eye. It is that big. This is the lash that she wore in her campaign, and it's just so big and fluffy. I was like, yes, I need that lash. And she did also mention with this lash to try and apply it straight on, because if you do apply it from the top, it can look a bit dramatic. This is like in between of a spiky and a fluffy lash, I would say. So like I said, again, I'm just roughly applying them on just so I can show you the lash styles themselves. I'm just going to grab the other one. A little bit of my eyeliner has come off, but I think that's just from the glue and the removal of taking them off. Wow. Can we just appreciate how big these lashes are? I think they are a bit OTT, but if you're one of those, like, I think these would be really good for editorial looks, because I don't know on me, I don't know if it's just because I've got quite like almost nearly hooded eyes, so I'm not too sure how they're looking on me, but they are looking very, very dramatic, definitely editorial vibes like I said. So these lashes are for those queens who want an extra look. Like, oh my god, can you see how big they are? They're literally like, I always feel like I've got starfish on my eyes. Like, wow, they are so, so big. They do make your eyes pop really, really big and everything. So this is what they look like from the side, and they are literally so, so, so big. Like, big. Oh my god, they're big. Like, they're so big. It's touching my dreams. Like, do you know what I mean? That's how big they are. Like, wow. I really, really do like the style of these. I think they are quite like big. I think it's just, I don't know, they kind of look like a starfish. Do you know what I mean? But I do like them. Don't get me wrong, I do like them. But I'm not sure where I would wear these, because I don't think I would wear them in general. Apart from an editorial look, because, or an Instagram look. I don't think I'd wear these out apart from an Instagram look, because they are a bit, you know, they're not a bit of me. Like, so I don't think they are a bit of me, but I'm just showing you the sort of lash style. But they are a bit of me for bigness and Instagram looks, but they're not a bit of me for everyday. That's what I meant. That's what I meant. But these are so, so good. So these are the Lola Lash. So with these lashes, she did mention on the packaging that they did put a sticker over the name because they printed the wrong name, just to save the environment. Just in case you're wondering why there's a sticker on the packaging, she did mention it in her video. And these are premium lashes, so I think they were £12.95 or somewhere along the lines. I'll put it on the screen. But they are quite, I did think they were quite pricey. So for 4 pairs of lashes I did pay like £56 or something, plus post and packaging, but I did think that was quite expensive. But she did say it was a premium lash range. However, if you did compare it to Tatti Lashes, their lashes are £8 or something. I'll put that on screen as well because I literally can't do numbers. But yeah, I did think they were a bit pricey, but she did say it is a premium lash brand, and I do like the packaging. I just think it would have been a good idea if they included a spoolie in every single lash. But yeah, this is the Lola lash. This is what we're looking like. I'm just going to apply the next lash on and see what that one looks like. So the next lash I'm trying on is the Lily lash. This is quite a dainty lash, and it is more of a cat eye effect lash. So I'm just going to stick this one on. It goes with the other one. So always with my lashes I like to stick it in the middle first and then press in the middle and then stick the outer than the inner. That's how I always apply my false lashes. That's just the easy way and method that I like to use. So this is what the Lily lashes are looking like. So these are a very, very cat eye effect lash. So these go from very small to the outer corner, which is very, very big. But it is quite a dainty lash, so it's very, very sparse. So I actually cut mine from the outer corner to the inner corner this time. So no, I cut it from the inner corner to the outer corner. So I cut the inner part off, because usually I cut the outer part off because it does get quite big at the end, and just to make it more my size. But I did actually trim it from the inner because I thought it went very, very small. It was a bit too small for me, so I cut it from the inner. So I cut some of the in off. That was a long explanation, but yeah, this is what they look like from the front, and then just to show you from the side, it's really, really, really nice. But I just think they are quite a dainty lash, so these are very, very good for just like a one colour shade on the eyelid, like a bronzer shade or anything like that. So this is what these ones are looking like. So we have one more pair of lashes to try on, so I'm just going to put them on and then give you my full review of Amy Rose Cosmetics and their new lashes that they're bringing out with these 4 styles. And so I'm just going to try the last style on. So last but definitely not least, we have the Lottie lash, and this is what this one looks like. I really, really like this one, and I think it goes as far as saying it's my favourite with this makeup look itself. It's just more of like a fanned out sort of lash. It looks really, really nice. So this is what it looks like from the side. So it's like a really, really spiky sort of lash, and it looks really nice. It's just really, really full. And this is the last lash in the range that she has so far. And these are the 4 lashes with her first product launch. I really, really like all of them. I just think some of them aren't really my style. Apart from this one, I think this is definitely my favourite so far. But all in all, I really do like the packaging. I definitely think they should really include a spoolie with every single sort of lash package. That's what I definitely think that they should do, unless they just thought they'd just put one in mine. I don't know what the rest of them are like, but I definitely recommend that, if anything, that I think they should probably put that in every one. Also, I'm not too sure on the price itself. I know it's a premium brand, but I'm not too sure on the price. Like, I know you can get like Tatti Lashes are way more affordable, even Glamify Beauty, you know, they're my fave. I do think these are really, really nice, and if you want to support Amy, then it's the best thing just to buy her lashes, see what they're like. But I definitely think they are quite unique styles. Again, it's like a contrast. If you want the style, you'd pay the money to get it. So I hope this video helped you just to see all the styles and see if you wanted to get any of her lashes. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video and just seeing all the lashes that I picked up and wearing them, seeing if you're going to purchase them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.